Hello and welcome everyone to a new cooking video. Today we're gonna be making a very simple and easy and most importantly delicious dish, which is some pesto pasta. By the way, it's my birthday today, so if you wanna give me a present, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It'll be very much appreciated, but enough of that, let's get back to cooking. As you can see here, I've already gathered our ingredients. First of all, obviously, fresh pesto, some chicken. These are already sliced up, but if you haven't done that yet, make sure to do that now. And of course, some Italian tagliatelle pasta. And here are the utensils you are going to need. First, we're going to get the pasta ready. We're gonna get out our saucepan and measure about, let's say, 1.5 liters of water, or maybe even 2. 2 liters should be just fine. Now we're gonna warm up the water and bring it to boil. In the meantime, while that is warming up, prepare your pasta so that when that is boiling and ready, you can just pour it in. And use this tactic. If your tagliatelle is in these kind of balls, all you're gonna have to do is just crush them like that, and that's pretty much it. To the water, let's add just a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil. Like that. Also, remember to get yourself, okay, that's going crazy over there. So that's ready. Now let's pour in the pasta. There we go. And also remember to take out a spoon and stir this once in a while. Mine is going to cook for 8 to 10 minutes, but yours might be different, so remember to check the packaging. As you can see here, 8 to 10 minutes over there. But look at your package and cook it for the time that it is written there. I'm really unsure if I did the right amount of pasta, so I'm just gonna add one more bowl to, it's always better to have more than less. So let's see, just gonna add another one. Now that you're waiting, get yourselves one of these and get them ready in the sink because you're gonna need it in a moment. All right, so the pasta is done. This is pretty much how it should look. I don't know if you can see that. And yeah, 8 minutes had passed and it wasn't still perfect. So you know, you can't always trust the time, just taste it and see if it's good. And now it's all right, so let's just go ahead and pour this over here, like that. Be careful to not burn yourself, some leftovers there, so just a little bit of cold water. And now pour that in there, like that. And now take your spoon out, cold water, full power, and stir that. We're gonna cool it down now. You can feel it a little bit. And yes, now the temperature is all right. So yeah, there we go. We're done with the pasta for now. Now, the second step. We're gonna take out our rather large pan. Seriously, take out a big pan because the whole thing, the pasta and the meat, is gonna go there after all. So it needs to be a big one. And we're just going to dump that there. And now we're gonna start to cook that. Pretty easy, just cook it. I would say that medium heat would be quite alright for the job, So do that, and also remember to have some kind of wooden utensil to move it around and stir once in a while. Actually, a bit more than medium heat was needed for this, so make sure you choose the right temperature and heat. Now that this is done cooking, lower your heat to a quite low heat. And now all that is left to do is dump the pasta in there and also put the pesto in there. Pesto. Okay, make sure to use a spoon for that. There we go. Now the second one. And now we're gonna stir that properly. We're gonna mix it all into one. And there we go, we are done. Now we can turn that off. And yeah, that's it pretty much. There you go. We did it. We made some pesto pasta. And we're done for today. Thank you so much for cooking with me again. And please like and subscribe if you really enjoyed your meal, or if you haven't yet, go try it. It'll be freaking delicious. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.